Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about the employees in office whose age is more than 25. Okay, so how we can do? Let's see. Here you can see this is our data set, employee data, and this is our employee ID and their date of birth. Okay, so how we can achieve it? For that, I have written a DAX calculation. Here you can see age greater than 25. Okay, so here I have used count rows, then filter and summarize. Okay, dated if, distinct and today. So what is actually doing? So first come on summarize function. Okay, so what summarize function is doing? Summarize function is returning a table of summarized value. So how it is using? Here this is the employee data. First it is taking the table, then from the employee table, from the employee data table, it is collecting the employee ID. Okay, so it is going row by row and checking out employee IDs, each and every employee IDs. Then I have taken age is just a column name. I have taken a column. Okay, then dated if. So what dated if is doing? Dated if is getting the difference of today's date and employee's birth date, getting the difference of today's date and employee's birth date, and it will be returning as year. Okay, then so this is all about the summarize function. Okay, then here you can see I have taken filter. Okay, so what filter is doing? Filter is filtering newly created this column age. Okay, so from this age column, so whatever the difference is, it is going to the age column. Okay, and then filter is checking if it is greater than 25 or not. Okay, and how? It is going count rows, and then whenever it is going like if it is going third row and it is getting this person is greater than 25, this age difference is greater than 25. Okay, this employee's birth date and today's date, the difference is more than 25 years. Then what count rows is doing? Count rows is counting that row. Okay, if it is third row, then count is 1. Then the same condition it is getting at the fourth row, then count is 2. Then the condition they are getting, suppose at eighth column, eighth row, then it is count rows as 3. So like this, it is calculating how many employees who has more than 25 years. Okay, whose age is more than 25 years. Okay, so distinct is just getting the distinct date. Okay, so this is how the whole process is working. Okay, so if I calculate this, if I get this, here you can see there are 7 employees who has age greater than 25. If I get this here you can see these 7 employees has age of more than 25. Okay, so I think this is enough for this tutorial. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. If you like my videos, please like it, share it among your friends. Support to my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you.